Come on guys, we're gonna make a beautiful oats and chickpeas porridge from start to finish, guys. Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen today, guys. In Selvin Kitchen we have another awesome delicious recipe to do for you today. So I don't do a video like this for a long time, so I ain't gonna do no live today. I'm just gonna do a normal 10 minutes 12 minutes video for you guys. Some people say, oh, you're doing too much live, so I'm gonna do a normal 10 minutes 12 minutes video today for you guys. I'm gonna make a delicious awesome porridge in Selvin Kitchen today, guys. So we're gonna do a chickpeas and oats porridge in Selvin Kitchen. I don't know if anybody ever heard about this recipe before. It's a brand new recipe coming in my head the other day, and I said, alright then, I'm gonna make some chickpeas and oats porridge in Selvin Kitchen, guys. Stay tuned. So for the chickpeas and oats porridge, guys, I have a pinch of salt, I have a pinch of cinnamon powder, I have a pinch of nutmeg, I have a tablespoon of vanilla. Over here, guys, we have 1 tin of evaporated milk. We have some white sugar over here, so we're going to use 4 tablespoons of white sugar. So the oats, we have a half a cup of oats here we're going to use. So we have half a cup of chickpeas. So the chickpeas is here, guys. We have the oats is here. So the chickpeas, we're going to put it in the blender. We're going to blend it right out. So I keep my chickpeas in my jar, my oats in my jar. So in Selvin Kitchen, guys, an awesome, delicious recipe. We're going to make a nice oats porridge. Outside is quite cold. It's a brand new recipe, guys. Prepare for it. Mind-blowing recipe, guys. So what we're going to do now, guys, we're just going to turn on the stove. I have 3 cups of water that I put in a pot. If you need any more water, you can add some more water in later. But for the time being, you better have less water more than more water. So I have 3 cups of water in the pot. So yes, my beautiful people, so I just turn on the fire, the stove, and in it that water. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to add in the spices. First thing I'm going to add in is the vanilla. And then I'm going to add in the salt. Then I'm going to add in the nutmeg. So this adding the cinnamon powder and the nutmeg and the vanilla and a pinch of salt. Just going to give that a nice mix. So I'm going to give that a mix, leave it there. Then after, just going to put the lid on it and I'm going to blend up all of my spices then. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm just going to add in a cup of water. And I add in 1 cup of water, add in my chickpeas. Gonna put the lid on that. Yes, my people, so I finished blending out my chickpeas. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to add in the oats in it. Going to add in the oats in it. Going to put the lid on it, and that's going to blend out the oats with the chickpeas together, guys. So guys, it's all blend out now. This is the oats and the chickpeas together, guys. Look at it, my beautiful people. Look at that together. It's all blend right out. So now I'm just gonna add it in at the pot over there where all of the spices them. But I put in already. So I'm just gonna add that right now in the pot them to boil. So yes, my beautiful people. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna add in the oats and the chickpeas together. As soon as I hit that pot, just give it a stir. Oh, that is so thick. Look at that. So I'm gonna add a bit more water to that, because that is so thick. So just give it a stir. You don't want it to get lumpy. So add some more water to it. And just mix out all of that lump out of that oats and chickpeas porridge we're making in Selvin Kitchen today, guys. Okay, you know that when you guys come on to Selvin Kitchen, we're always doing something new. So drop me a comment if you guys ever heard about oats and chickpeas porridge before, or drop me a comment if you have it before, and let me know what it turned out. So this is the oats and chickpeas porridge in Selvin Kitchen, guys. So yes, my beautiful people, so I just use the whisk here to whisk out any lumps were in it. We're looking for a beautiful smooth texture of this porridge with the chickpeas and oats. A brand new recipe, guys. Drop me a comment and let me know if you guys ever heard about a type of porridge like this before. Drop me a comment if you ever have a chickpeas and oats porridge before, guys. Let me know. You can know that, as I said before, when you come on to Selvin Kitchen, guys, we always come up with a new idea, a new recipe. We have a lot of recipe coming up soon, guys. So just mix out all of the lumps out of it. That's what we're looking for, no lumps. What I'm doing, guys, I'm changing my pot because I don't want it to boil and splash over into the stove. So I'm just changing my pot. It's optional. You want to change your pot? Optional, because you don't want to get a messy stove, and easier to store it in it. So I just change my pot, get a bigger pot. So you know that oats porridge, when it starts to boil out, you don't want to boil right over in the stove. So you get a bigger pot and keep your eye on it. Don't take your eye off of it when you're boiling it. Yes, my beautiful people, this is on it to fire for the last 5 minutes. Just give it a nice stir. So it's boiling up now. You just have to keep your eyes on it, guys, because you don't want it to boil right over in the stove. So that's why I change the pot. I get a bigger pot. So if you catch it boil over, I can stop it. But the smaller pot now, by the time you look on it, it boil right over and mess up the stove. So it's optional. You use a bigger pot. It's better for you if you're going to look out for this recipe. So we're going to give that around 15 minutes. Beautiful, guys.
Yes, my beautiful people, this is a beautiful brand new recipe in Selvin Kitchen, guys. So check out this recipe. Please give me a thumbs up for the video. Please share it with your friends and family. This is a oats and chickpeas porridge in Selvin Kitchen, guys. A powerful porridge for the mans them and the ladies. It's a cold weather, so we all need something to strengthen up our bone, strengthen up our muscle. It's a beautiful, powerful porridge, guys. So please check it out. Try this recipe and let me know in Selvin Kitchen. And please give me a thumbs up for the video, guys. Please share the video with your friends and family. Selvin Kitchen, guys.
Yes, my beautiful people. So give it a nice stir again. Gonna give it another 10 minutes. So I'm gonna turn up at the stove and watch it. Because sometimes if you don't watch it, it will boil right over into the stove and mess up the stove, as I said. So just keep an eye on it, give it a nice stir. You don't want it to get sticky in that pot bottom. You want that pot bottom smooth. Because sooner it start to stick, it start to burn. And you don't want to drink a porridge and then your porridge tastes like your porridge is burning. So just give it a nice stir. Make sure that pot bottom is smooth, you don't stuck in the pot bottom. Beautiful, nice texture in that. I'm gonna use a half tin of that evaporated milk in another 10 minutes. I'm gonna give it another 10 minutes because we are having chickpeas, and chickpeas take a little bit longer to cook, guys.
So yes, my beautiful people, this porridge been boiling for the last 20 minutes. So now we're just gonna add in the evaporated milk. Normally, when we're cooking oats porridge, it lasts for around 10 minutes, but should we add in the chickpeas, give it another extra 10 minutes. So using the old tin of evaporated milk, I'm gonna give it another 5 minutes, let the evaporated milk to combine with that oats and chickpeas porridge. So check out this beautiful recipe, guys. So right now, guys, the evaporated milk cooked down in it for the last 5 minutes. What we're going to do, we're just going to add in the sugar. We're going to add in some white sugar. So it's optional. If you guys want to add in brown sugar, for your choice, for your like, for your preference, it's optional. But today, I'm going to use some white sugar, guys. So adding the white sugar, I'm going to give it a nice sweet. Mix it around properly. I don't want it too sweet.
Yes, my beautiful people, so this is all finished now, guys. I'm just gonna give it a sweet need. As I said before, guys, I'm using a white sugar today. It's optional. If you guys want to use brown sugar, you can use brown sugar, but sweeten it to your taste, to your like. A lot of people don't like a lot of sugar. A lot of people like a lot of sugar. Some people cannot take sugar, but sweeten it to your taste, guys. Don't follow me and put 5 or 6 tablespoons of sugar in. Sweeten it to your taste, to your like. If you like a lot of sugar, put more sugar to your taste. If you don't like a lot of sugar, put less sugar to your taste. So everybody having different taste and different preference. Beautiful texture. Look at that. Nice texture coming out of it. There's no lump in it. If all of the lump is out of it. Yes, my beautiful people. So this is all finished, guys. I'm just going to share out some of this beautiful, lovely chickpeas and oats porridge, guys, in Selvin kitchen. Look at that cream on the top there, guys. Look at that, my beautiful people. Nice texture, not too runny, not too thick. We don't want it too thick. It's optional. If you want to make it too thick for you, it's optional. But it's beautiful, nice texture with its chickpeas and oats porridge, guys. Guys, please hit this. Share this video with your friends and family. Share it on your WhatsApp status, on your Facebook, on your YouTube. Oh, check it out, people. This guy cooked chickpeas and oats porridge. It's amazing. And please give me a thumbs up with this video, guys. Awesome, delicious recipe, guys. Beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful, guys. Yes, my beautiful people, this is all finished, guys. This is the oats and chickpeas porridge in Selvin kitchen, guys. So you guys can check out this video. Please give me a thumbs up for the video. Please share the video with your friends and family. So I will see you guys in the next video. Selvin kitchen. Stay safe, guys. Walk good. Lot of love from Selvin Kitchen.